Hey, it's Rachel with REI Blueprint, and I wanted to take a minute and talk to all of you ladies for a second. Those of you who are real estate investors, and for those of you that are very interested in real estate investing, and just share that, I understand the struggles and how busy life can be being a wife and a mother. And I don't know how I would get everything done if I was in any other business than real estate investing. It has afforded me a life that I really never even dreamed was possible. And I also see the impact that that has had on my children and what they think the new normal is. That, my 8-year-old thinks that I'm a businesswoman and a stay-at-home mom because I'm here every single morning and wake her up and get her off to school, and I either pick her up or I'm home when she gets home. And I think a lot of us don't take action on our dreams because how do we add one more thing to our plate? How do we juggle something else? And I really want to encourage you that if you're in this business or you want to take advantage and you're interested in this business, to take advantage of it. This is not a business just for men. There are so many advantages to being a woman real estate investor, and I'm going to be sharing my experience and all of the things that I've used. We really have such an edge in this business, and so I hope that you tap into that. Come check Jason and I out at our events, and like I said, I'll be sharing all of the tips and the tricks and the things that I have used to try to create some balance, but also, how I have used just being a female to negotiate deals. So get a sitter, leave the kids with your husband, come hang out with me. I look forward to seeing you soon.